It's a shocking diktat from a prominent madrasa in Bihar. This madrasa, Azizia, is in Bihar Sharif in Nalanda district, and it's banned admission of girl students. They've barred even the entry of girls to its campus. Issuing a diktat, the government-affiliated madrasa has stopped enrollment of girl students on the ground that co-education was against the basic tenets of Islam. The principal of the madrasa, Muhammad Mumtaz Alam, has said that Islam does not permit education of boys and girls under one roof. The Waqf Estate Committee, which runs this madrasa, says that the decision to discontinue co-education has been taken since it was against Islam. The Waqf Committee's secretary said education for women at the madrasa would resume only after separate arrangements were made for them. The decision has triggered protest by Muslim girls who assembled outside the gate of the madrasa and demanded that this decision be rolled back. However, they were not allowed to enter the campus. The girls alleged that the madrasa had taken this regressive step at a time that governments were trying to promote girl education across the country. In fact, governments across the world were trying to do that.
अखलाकी गिरावट, समाजी बुराई जो आजकल हर तरफ फैली हुई है, इससे रोकने के लिए ताकि मर्द और इज्जा नहीं हो पाए।
इस बार से ये होगा, इसके पहले तो साथ में।
हाँ, इससे पहले साथ।
तालीम में बेहतरी लाने के लिए ये तरीका ज़रूर इख्तियार किया जाना चाहिए कि लड़कियों की तालीम का नस्ल अलग हो। मखलूक तालीम लड़के और लड़की एक साथ मिल करके एक साथ बैठ करके तालीम हासिल न करें।
हम लोग क्लास नहीं लिया जा रहा, वहाँ हम लोग पढ़ते थे, लेकिन हम लोग को बोला कि तुम लोग क्लास नहीं लिया जाएगा, तो हम लोग जिंदगी जैसे लाइफ के साथ खिलवाड़ हो रही है। हम लोग गार्जियन भी परेशान, ये सब लड़की के साथ क्यों हो जा रहा है।
And headlines today's Rohit Singh now joins me with the latest. Rohit, what's the government doing about this? A madrasa cannot take an arbitrary decision and stop girl students from studying.
Well, Gaurav, what we are learning from Bihar government sources is that an inquiry can be set up to investigate into the entire matter as to what exactly has happened. But as of now, these girls who used to study in the madrasa, they are still allowed, they are still outside the campus. They are agitating and they are not being allowed to enter the premises. What is they have been allowed is that they can sit for the examinations which is scheduled later in the month, but they cannot attend classes. So this is one of the most regressive steps as far as girls' education is concerned, which we have heard in the recent time. And on two grounds they have been banned from attending classes. One is that according to Sharia laws, what the principal says, that a boy and a girl cannot sit together under the same roof and study. And secondly, a male teacher cannot teach a girl child. So on these two grounds, these girls have been thrown out, literally thrown out of the madrasa, and they are protesting outside the premises, wanting to attend the classes, but that is not happening for last 3 days.
Okay, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. The girl students are protesting, their parents are protesting. They want the government to intervene so that they can not only take their exams this year, but can continue to study in future. And we'll be tracking that story.